What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hop LA Events on Tap,
episode 87,
covering all the awesome things happening in LA beer this week. And this week, look who's back.
I'm back.
He's back.
I made it.
And
couldn't keep me away.
How is the beer scene out in Italy and Greece?
I found some good beers, actually. A couple little small beer bars pulling in breweries from all around the various countries. They're not prevalent. You have to seek them out. But yeah, I did get some really good stuff. Some hazy New England style IPAs.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you really can't compare our scene versus what's going on out there. But it is a welcome moment to step into a beer bar and see some of the really cool beers that are being poured. Very delicious.
International beer. Now that Gary's back, we did want to drink something very special for your return. So, without further ado, what are we drinking?
Yeah, so we're drinking Time Bandits. This is a hazy double IPA collaboration between Brouwerij West and Great Notion, packed with Nelson, Waiheke, and Motueka hops. They were promoting this probably over a week ago, and instantly I knew I wanted to try it. I dropped a few days ago in our local shop, picked it up, and I can't wait to crack it open.
So let's just do that.
Yeah.
Pours nice and golden.
Yep.
Maybe it's just the light hitting it just right, or
a little bit murky.
I mean, you've been probably waiting to say this for the last couple weeks.
Yeah, let's give it a whirl.
Crowbars up.
Do you want me to throw some candy references in here? Because I fucking can.
Let's do it.
Dude,
Rapid fire.
Skittles and Sweet Tart for days. Bite off a little bit of that White Mystery Airhead as well.
Probably my favorite Airhead.
Dude, this is just tropical creaminess from front to back. No bitterness whatsoever. Kind of slides right down your tongue.
Oh, yeah.
Coats it all around with that like creamy fluffiness, and then slides down. It's fucking really good though.
Yeah, hints of pineapple and mango. Super soft, as you said. Double IPA, dangerously drinkable.
Oh,
yes,
fuck yeah, it's very dangerous.
Yeah. I would expect nothing less from Brouwerij West and Great Notion. Brouwerij West, one of my favorite LA breweries. Great Notion, one of the more popular breweries out in
Killing
Portland.
it out there, yeah.
Absolutely. So super stoked to be drinking this one for the rest of the show.
Yeah, if you can find this around you, I know it's in stores right this second, but it's gonna sell out pretty quick. Head down to Brouwerij West in San Pedro. Great spot to drink some beer, or head to your local bottle shop. Find this, it's the one with the dinos on it.
Dinos. All right, we're gonna enjoy sipping on these for the remainder of the show, but let's get into the beer release radar. Gary, what are we excited about?
So I've been excited about this one for probably about a month now. This was slated to come out for Aero Lodge's Best Buds Day, and it's a collaboration with Mo of Craft Beer Kings. It's a West Coast IPA with terpenes. Yeah, so really excited about this. Terpenes being the essential oil that's found in hops and cannabis. It's coming out Friday, June 7th. So head out to Covina, hit up Aero Lodge and grab it, or look out for it at a local bottle shop. Hopefully it makes its way over there.
All right, time to get into the events. We're gonna kick it off with a slew of featured events. Starting this one out with the LA Beer Week Kickoff Fest. This one's going down Saturday, June 15th, right around the corner. Tickets are still on sale. You're gonna wanna jump on those VIPs just because there's gonna be a shitload of awesome beer from your local LA breweries. Plus, your boys are gonna be slinging some merch at our booth. So we really wanna see you guys there. And we're gonna be giving some tickets away.
Giveaway!
Woo! Yeah, head over to hopla.com/LABW
giveaway. We're giving out VIP tickets. Enter there, win some shit. Then on Monday, June 17th, starting at 6 p.m., it is the Invitational Hazy IPA Festival 2019, put on by yours truly here
Heyo.
At the Glendale Tap in Glendale. So we're pulling together some of our favorite LA breweries that are putting out really, really good hazy IPAs. We're gonna be serving them up to you guys, and you're gonna get to vote on which one you like best. There'll be some guest breweries in attendance as well. It's gonna be a great fucking time. If you love hazy IPAs, you gotta be here.
Yes, you need to be at this event. Mark your calendars, Monday, June 17th.
See you there.
All right, wrapping up our featured events, Saturday, June 22nd, 12:30 p.m. at Celador Ales in North Hills. It's their second annual Sour Friends Fest. 2019. This is an invitational sour beer festival featuring some of SoCal's best sour producers. Breweries like Brouwerij West, Casa Agria, Dionysus, Oris Aged Ales, Rare Barrel from up north. You are not going to want to miss out on this one. VIP is already sold out, so don't even bother with that. Just jump on the GA and get your ass over to Celador on June 22nd. We'll be there with a booth. Hopefully see you guys there. All right, so let's get to the events for this week. We're gonna kick that off Tuesday, June 4th, 6 o'clock, Brewers and Beer with Insurgente at Slice and Pint in El Segundo.
Ooh.
Nice little guided tasting through our friends from Tijuana. Some beers that you may not have had before here in LA at one of the coolest spots in El Segundo, the Slice and Pint. $10 a ticket for this one.
Can't beat that.
Yeah, jump on this one. Pizza, beer, do it up.
If you can't make this one, they're doing this as a series, different brewers coming in, so it's a heads up to get this series of events on your radar. Check out Slice and Pint, they're doing cool shit. Then on Friday, June 7th, Simsies in Burbank is having their second anniversary. So this is the brewery arm of Simsies, and they're putting out some really, really good beers, very under the radar. If you haven't made your way out there, you really can only drink their beers at Simsies locations. They're releasing 3 anniversary beers, one of which is their very first hazy IPA. At the same time, they're launching Crowlers, and they're doing pre-orders for those as well. So head over to our website, hopdela.com/events. The link is there for you to make your pre-order. But at the very least, it's an opportunity for you to get out to Burbank, check out what Simsies is doing. Very good brewer over there, so check it out.
All right, next up, Saturday, June 8th at 11 a.m. at the Fields in LA in downtown. Special event taking a bunch of Midwest and East Coast breweries that you don't really get to see in Los Angeles, and they're tapping them at the Fields. Breweries like Evil Twin, Other Half, Hudson Valley, Grimm, so much more.
Too many to name.
Yeah. Head over to hopdela.com/events, find this event, and check out the list.
Yeah, this
and
tab list is fire.
plan to be there. All right, so that does it for this episode of Events on Tap. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm so happy he's home. Drink indie.
And drink local.